Good evening, my people. I came back again with this triangle here. These are the questions from a previous question paper. So you are told that C is a point on the x-axis. A and 4 are the vertices of a triangle, or are the vertices of a triangle. A, B intersects the x-axis at E. So now, angle ABC, it's theta here, and BEC, it's alpha, as you can see. Calculate the gradient. The gradient, we spoke about this, guys. So you can say 4.1, you can say the gradient of AB, it is equals to, let's check, A to B. I'll start with the values of y. It's minus 3 minus 12 divided by, since I started with negative 3, I have to start with negative 5, the values of x. Minus 5 minus 4. So this will be negative 15, negative 15 divided by negative 9. So you check that as common factor of 15 and 9. So it will be 5 divided by 3, because negative divided by negative is positive. So the highest common factor in this case, it's 3. So 3 goes how many times into 15? 5 into 9, 3. So that's the gradient of the line AB. And then now we need to determine the coordinates of point E, right? The coordinate of point E, what is point E? It's along this horizontal line. So the line AB, it passes through this point here. Okay, so this is x-intercept actually, meaning that the y value here is 0. So now you can say there are many ways to kill a cat, right? So now I can say that the equation of the line AB, it's y, which is equals to mx plus c, right? So y, it is equals to the gradient of AB, we've already calculated. It's 5 divided by 3x plus c. So to determine the value of c, you're going to use you choose between A and B, which one you can use. You can choose the coordinate of point B, right? So you replace y by 12. It's equals to 5 divided by 3, replace x by 4 plus c. Therefore, the value of c will be equals to 12 minus 20 divided by 3. 12 minus 20 divided by what? Divided by 3. So it's basically 16. Basically 16 divided by what? Divided by 3. So the equation here, it's y, which is equals to 5 divided by 3x for this one, and then c will be plus 16 divided by 3. Now we can determine the y-intercept. The y-intercept in this case, it will be you let y is equal to 0, right? So 0, it is equal to 5 divided by 3x plus 16 divided by 3. So 16 goes to the other side, it becomes negative divided by 3. This goes 5 divided by 3x. So our x, it is equal to negative 16 divided by 5. So the coordinate of E, it's negative, it's negative 16 divided by 5 and 0. Yes, we're done with 4.3. Calculate the size of alpha. The size of this alpha, it means now you will say, let me move to the side here. You're going to say the size of alpha is the angle of inclination of line AB. So this will be tan alpha, it is equals to the gradient of AB, which is 5 divided by 3. So alpha, it is equals to arc tan 5 divided by 3, which is equals to, so shift the tan 5 divided by 3. This goes to 59.04 degrees. All right, they said round off to the nearest whole number, so it means this will be 59 degrees. And then let's move to 4.4. If theta is equal to 76, determine the equation of the line through A parallel to BC. Line through A parallel to BC, we are talking about a line passing through this. So such that this line will be parallel to BC, okay? So now we can say that now we can say this line, the equation of this line will be y it is equals to the gradient of BC. Before you can calculate the gradient of BC, it's 5 marks, right? So you need to determine this angle here. You need to determine this angle so that you will know the gradient of the line BC. So once you know the gradient of the line BC, it means the gradient of the line BC will be equals to the line which is passing through A, okay? Because this line, we are told that it is parallel to the line BC. So it means now you can say this is 76, right? So you're going to use sum of angles in a triangle, or you can use exterior angle of a triangle. So this angle here outside, the C there, let me just call it angle C outside. It is equals to 59 plus 76. Y exterior angle of a triangle. And then 59 plus 76, I'm using a calculator, it's 135. So now you can calculate the gradient of the line BC using this angle here, because this angle now is the angle of inclination of the line BC, okay? So from this point here, you're going to say tan 135, it is equals to the gradient of the line BC. So let me use the calculator. Tan 135 it's a -1. It's -1. This time around, you're not going to say shift turn 135. No, it's turn 135 straight to the calculator. So it's -1. The line BC, there's the gradient of -1. So it means that the gradient of BC is equal to the gradient of the line passing through A, okay? Passing through A, let me just write A here, which is equal to -1. So let me finish this question here. So y is equal to -x, this one, -1, because the straight line equation is supposed to be y is equals to mx plus c. So our value of m is y, is -1, so -1 times s -x plus c. So to determine the value of c, use the coordinates that you are given here. So y, it will be -3 minus open brackets, x is -5, close bracket, plus c. Therefore, c will be equals to -3 minus 5. It's -8. Yeah, -3, -5, it's -8. So the equation is y, it is equals to -x minus 8. Therefore, you're done. So I hope if you did not understand it, you just replay the video. Sometimes you can pause and try to analyze what I have written here. So yeah, there is no need for you to worry, guys. I'm here to help you. I also ask my